And this is how two Great Danes take over a king-size bed. As you can see, Katie's enjoying being upside down at the bottom of the bed, and Max is hugging the pillows. It's actually quite backwards. Normally Max is at the bottom and Katie's at the top, but why not change things up and make them interesting, right, Kate? And look at that pretty smile. Oh, we can turn it around. It goes all sorts of funny directions. Look at that. Oh, I can stretch my arms. Upside down. Right side up, which looks like I'm upside down. I'm just having such a great day. All right, guys, come on. Time to get up. Let's go. Come on. Time to get out of bed. Let's go. Come on. Let's move it. Come on. Let's get up. And that is the typical reaction when you try and get your Great Danes out of bed. Because Great Danes love being in bed. And Mr. Max, he's deaf. He can hear us when he wants to hear us. And right now he doesn't want to hear us. I see that your eyes are open. Come on. Let's get up. Come on, Max. Come on. Maybe not now. We'll just keep napping. It's what we do so well. It's a pretty girl, Katie. This could be a very long video waiting for them to get out of bed, so we'll just leave them to sleep. And you can try and figure out where Mom and Dad actually sleep, because this is a king-size bed that sleeps 4. And you can see who gets the premium space. Max and Katie, the Great Danes. Okay, Kate, come on, up we go. Come on, let's go. There. I guess that's as close as to getting up as we're gonna be. Oh, I know. Oh, you're such a good dog. Love you. Waking up is a very slow process when you're a Great Dane. Getting up is even slower. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. On to the next phase of getting up. Or not, which will probably happen. Oh, there's a lot